Happy Bharat, happy world, rich Bharat, rich world. I am Kavya Shri, working in Kapil Maharshi Numerology Office as a PRO. Let's speak with Baba Pandurangam Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach and also yoga guru about a new topic actually. Hello sir, how are you?
Happy morning, great morning, rich morning, happy world, rich world. Thank you so much, everybody. Please like and share and activate the bell icon and forward this video, everyone. Very important video because this is the offer price.
Yes, some offer prize you are giving. Actually,
Yeah.
today is your daughter Om Moksha Yogastri's birthday.
Yes.
So first of all, many happy returns of the day to her, and
Yes.
we'll all send our wishes to Moksha also.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And how are you, Kavishri?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Very nice. I'm always excellent and amazing and wonderful and happy always.
Always. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
So about something you are giving offer, sir. Please
Yes.
explain to us that what you are giving offer.
Definitely.
And you'll never give anything for free, sir.
Because my daughter asking to me, please
Okay.
give the customers for some offer on my occasion of the
On her birthday. Okay.
my birthday, sir.
Okay, she's asking.
She is
Okay.
asked to me. Okay,
Okay, sir, okay.
And today is it is very happy, and this is the celebration. I'm
Yes.
giving the 50% offer price to my
Okay.
customers throughout the world. Okay,
Okay, sir.
And today we are going to, before this topic, every day we are manifestation, affirmation, these through the magic bottle.
bottle.
And simply and fastly, happily, every day, in my lucky account, I got 1,59,36,999. Thank you, universe.
Okay.
Thank you, universe. Thank you, numbers. Thank you, magic bottle. Thank you, YouTube also. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can say 3 times.
Okay.
And yours lovingly, Baba. This is my affirmation. You can also create your own affirmation.
Okay.
And after this affirmation, I am drinking this
That water.
magical water.
Okay, sir.
This is not a magical, this is the scientific.
Yes,
I am
sir.
using this technique. I get everything in my life goals. You can also practice regularly. You can also get everything. This is the not magical, this is the science.
Yes, sir.
You are on the you switch on the fan. Everybody on the switch of the fan. The fan always
It
rotating.
becomes cool. The room's temperature becomes cool. Yes. Yes.
So this is the scientific way.
Yes.
You can use the magic bottle.
Yes, sir.
And
lucky stickers.
Lucky
also.
stickers also you can use.
Yes, lucky stickers kit is available. If you want, you can come to our office directly and please collect the lucky stickers. And the price is only 1,000 rupees. And courier service also is available. For courier service, the charges are 1,600. You can send your address also, and then if you pay the amount, we'll give you the courier service also.
Okay.
And you also can become lucky.
Lucky.
Thank you.
Thank you. So today main topic is lucky rings.
Yes.
Tortoise rings and thumb ring.
Okay.
Tortoise ring and thumb ring. You can
Okay.
measure your thumb ring. So you can also finger ring also you can measure.
Okay.
Like this. And this one is the ring size. This is the measurement.
Okay. In Goldsmith shop, maybe it is available.
This is the Goldsmith shop tools.
Okay, we can,
This is the 20 number.
Okay, we can check out the sizes and then we can order.
You can send through the WhatsApp what is your size.
And all you can send.
Okay, and I'm requesting everyone, please come directly because
Yes.
sometimes the courier boy or postman misuse these couriers.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
post. Okay.
Yes.
Already I got some bad experience.
Yes, sir. That is the reason. Yes.
Come near
Directly
my
to our
direct
office.
You take this golden opportunity, thumb ring and
Tortoise ring also.
And this is a very wonderful magical ring. I am using last 7 years, 2018 and September 15.
Okay.
I am using this tortoise ring and thumb ring. And when I start the tortoise ring with numbers,
Okay.
with numbers and increasing my clients, not only India, I got the clients from USA, Dubai, Malaysia, Singapore and
Okay.
London. 20 countries my clients are increased.
Wow, that's
Okay,
great.
that
sir.
is the
Yes.
great thing.
Okay.
And whenever you use this thumb ring, your business around the world.
Okay.
The shape is round,
Yes,
your business also around the world. And this is the benefit of the business or job,
Okay,
anything.
business spreads all over
All over the world.
Okay.
And this tortoise ring for health and wealth.
Okay,
Not
good health
only
and wealth.
not only wealth, health also important.
Okay.
And when you get the more money, but some people told to me, sir, I have no balance in my bank account because no stability for money. Currency means it's the flowing
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
flowing thing. So that is you can take the ring finger, ring finger, tortoise
Tortoise ring.
ring.
Okay. Okay,
The
sir.
money always stable in your accounts and your
Okay.
lockers, everything.
Okay,
So the
sir.
main things of the stability of money
Okay.
and this the flow of money. The two rings, you can get any one ring, you can get more one.
Okay, if you buy one, get one
Get
free.
one also.
Get one free. Yes.
Okay, so this is the rings and very important rings. And you can also follow this lifetime
Sir.
graph.
Graph also.
This lifetime graph very important. I am giving 50-60% for children's.
Okay.
When children are taking this lifetime graph, and you can parents also same price you can take.
Okay.
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 Right. And this Pancharatnas, lucky name, lucky mobile number, lucky bank account number, lucky vehicle number, lucky marriage dates. And the numbers rules the universe. And this is the Losho grid and this is the Vedic grid. And between the five number is called Vishnu. Vishnu is connecting the everyone. Is connecting to 2, connecting to 9, connecting to 4, connecting to 3, connecting 7, connecting 1, connecting 8, connecting 6.
Okay, connecting
The
number.
Vishnu is ruling everything.
Yes, sir.
Connecting every
Everyone,
people, every
everything.
religion, everything.
Okay.
Universal master key number is called
Five.
5 number. 5 number equal to Vishnu.
Okay. sir.
Vishnu is the ruler, everything. Okay?
Okay,
And this is the most important. And this one 7 number is Mahadeva.
Okay.
This is the Mahadeva. 7 number is Lord Mahadeva. Is the big God in the
Okay.
universe.
Lord Shiva. Okay, sir.
So these are all 1 to 9. Here also
Here
1
also
to 9.
1 to- yes.
Here also 1 to 9. These ring also 1 to 9.
Okay.
Every number is important for your life. No number is bad, no number is good. According to the place, but it is occur to give the results is good or bad.
Okay, sir.
So this is the powerful formula. I made this Losho grid ring. This is a very powerful. You can use this powerful ring. So this is the technique also. This is the
Okay.
technique. You can use the magic technique, Losho grid ring, and these number rings, thumb ring. You can put and left hand and do the affirmation. I am
Okay.
always doing affirmation simply and fastly and happily. Every day I got in my lucky account 1,59 lakhs 36,999.
Okay.
Thank you universe. Thank you numbers. Thank you lucky rings. Thank you everyone. Yours lovingly, BABAPANDURANGAM. This is the golden formula for your success.
Okay.
Whatever your desire, whatever your aims, whatever your achievements, everything is fulfilled in your life. Okay?
Oh.
And you can practice morning and afternoon and at the bedtime you are going to sleep. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible.
Okay.
Through this technique of magical rings.
Okay, we have to practice it daily.
You can
3 times.
practicing. This is the offer price.
Okay.
This is the offer price only
Okay.
for April 30. So the birthday offer, buy one and get one free. The actual price is 13,998.
Okay.
Now this price is 6,999.
Okay.
Hurry up. This is the golden opportunity for everyone because April 30 Akshaya Tritiya.
Okay.
Abundance of money, abundance of jewelry, abundance of health, wealth, relation, career, everything.
Okay.
Akshaya, it is not a stop, it is a continue.
Continuous. Okay.
Akshaya means death. Akshaya, no death.
Okay.
Kshaya means death.
Okay.
Akshaya, no death.
Immortal. Okay, sir.
Infinity.
Yes, sir.
You want infinity money, you want infinity everything.
Okay.
You can get it. Okay, this is the best choice, best time. So take the decision fastly. You can take the lucky magical rings.
Yes.
This thumb ring and tortoise ring.
So golden opportunity for both of them. For
Golden
lucky ring,
opportunity for
lucky rings also,
everywhere.
and lifetime graph also.
Lifetime
You can
graph.
collect it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Please like and share and activate the bell icon. Forward this video here and there. Thank you so much. Happy Bharat. Happy Varal. Rich Bharat. Rich Varal. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.